But many firms continue to face challenges at the growth stage. This is not unique to Singapore. Globally, growth stage capital has tightened. As a result, many firms, especially in deep tech, find it harder to raise the larger and longer-term funding that's needed to scale. We will therefore do more to catalyze growth capital in Singapore. Under the Startup SG Equity Scheme, the government provides initial capital to catalyze and crowd in private funding for promising startups. To date, the scheme has focused mainly on early-stage funding. We will now go further. I will set aside $1 billion to enhance Startup SG equity and expand its scope to cover growth stage companies. Beyond this, we will take a more systemic approach to strengthening our growth capital ecosystem. We will convene a new work group led by Minister Chee Hong Tat, working closely with the industry to develop strategies to position Singapore as a leading center for growth capital. When enterprises are ready to list, we want them to see Singapore as their listing venue of choice. We had earlier set up the Anchor Fund to attract and anchor high-quality listings, and we are now seeing encouraging signs of renewed listing activity on the SGX. I will therefore launch a second 1.5 billion tranche of the Anchor Fund. As with the first tranche, this will be a co-investment between the government and Temasek. We will also continue to strengthen our broader equities market. Last year, MAS launched the Equity Market Development Program to develop our fund management industry and increase investor participation in Singapore equities. Industry response has been encouraging. MAS has allocated close to $4 billion to 9 asset managers. To build on this momentum, I will expand the program with a $1.5 billion top-up to the Financial Sector Development Fund. At the same time, we are implementing the other recommendations of the Equities Market Review Group. This includes streamlining listing rules and requirements to make it easier for high-growth companies to go public and establishing a dual listing bridge connecting the SGX and NASDAQ. These measures will enhance the depth and vibrancy of our public equities market and provide more pathways for enterprises to grow and scale from Singapore.